Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
You are going to love the 2021 Highlander Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find rear view camera, wireless charging station, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags, front passenger seat cushion, audio, speed sensitive volume control, trip computer, child safety locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.